Hi guys, you know what? Bea is here. But it's a long time. I'm grade 3, grade 4. She's long go home. I'm grade 3 guys. I'm 8.
I'm 8 too.
She 8. She's not 9 yet. Okay.
Okay, so what's
You just see Bea just once because
Andre's over there.
Andre is going home. Andre is going home. Wait, is he that car? Yung bike? Andre is going home. Andre's going home. Bye bye, Andre. That's her mom right there. That's her mom right there. Ah, it's the car.
Yeah.
Hello.
It's raining today.
It's raining, man. Yeah, it's raining, guys.
Yeah, it's
Because
raining.
you not see it because it's
I'm
filter.
hungry anyways.
Hungry?
Yeah.
Look the. Bye bye, Andre.
Inako.
Look at that. Give me, gosh, where's she?
I'm so hungry. Look at my face, guys. It was.
Guys.
Whatever. Yeah, meow.
Yeah, guys, it's been so long. I have cutics right now. I think you not see
Wait
it.
lang. Wait a minute, guys. Wait, I have to do something.
Okay.
Wait lang.
Stay there, stay.
Come here. You stay here. From this, let me see your hand, your cutics. To this.
Yeah. We just graduation in gym is so much big.
Yeah.
Look at Papa.
She's high honor and I'm just honor.
Yeah. I got 0 in math. I just joking.
Yeah, I love math too, but I like economics.
Oh. Ooh. I miss the old days.
Yeah, all in the
It what happened in the day. Hoy, Bea, kaya mo pa ginto?
Anay, ay, wait lang.
Bea, kaya mo pa ginto? Bea,
Ganito.
alis. Last video!
Okay na, bye. Anong last video? Di ba may video pa pa?